Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Sakatech 360. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a website shortcut in your desktop. So first we need to click on the desktop, click on the shortcut there and type your wish address. I'm typing www.youtube.com. Should not do any small mistake there, it will tell it is not found. And here is the name of our shortcut, YouTube. There, click on the finish button and sit down, click on it. After that we can see our YouTube website shortcut. Click on the shortcut there and our YouTube is opened, you can see there. After that I am showing you two examples like www.facebook. I am showing you facebook.com. Click on the finish there and type your shortcut name and type in Facebook there. After that, if you click on the Facebook shortcut there, it will open Facebook, and again I am clicking shortcut. I am showing you examples. Please see the examples. I am showing you Google. I search www.google.com and I kept the name Google. If you click on the Google, it will open our Google. So that's it to the video, friends. See you in another video. Bye bye.